Someone says, "Oh, I had a dream and I got my Siddhadeha." This is Indra's idea, or he said. Then he wrote about that. So who can challenge that? It's possible. Krishna is unlimited, and you can judge a thing by its fruit. So many people say, "Oh, in a dream I saw my Siddhadeha, or I got my Siddhadeha." But then you watch. Okay, you're so advanced and you're so fortunate that you're a Kripa Patra, a recipient of Krishna's mercy, Kripa Patra, that Krishna deemed you qualified and fit and eager and greedy enough to give you a Siddhadeha in a dream. Now what are you doing? Oh, nothing. I'm just going to parties, saying Chakachak Prasad. But in the case of Indra, he had this dream of his Siddhadeha, Prabhupada telling whatever. I don't remember all the details of his dreams, which he would tell sometimes. And then we see, well, what happened after that? Well, very serious bhajan and very serious absorption in developing that revealed identity. So that's because he had greed, because he had rag. So generally, if someone may fake it and say, "I had a dream, I got my Siddhadeha," but the proof positive is, what now? What are you doing now? So when Krishna feels that one is qualified and fit, when Krishna sees that one is qualified and fit, then he will make arrangements to reveal, to give. He'll make the arrangements so the person advances in bhakti, whatever they are, by sarvasanga, by particular shastra, or if it necessitates the reception of a Siddhadeha, then that will be given. Krishna knows. Krishna knows past, present, and future. But to speak against it and to deny it and say it's wrong and false, this is not correct. And to concoct ideas when you can meditate and rag bhakti, we should follow the Mahajans, follow the Shastras. If someone has greed, then nourish it, guide them, help them. No, why you have this greed? Why you want to just read about Radha and Krishna? You just joined yesterday. Go out and sell books. Well, wait a minute, Guruji. So then if you go against someone, if it's really your nature, really your greed, then something's going to bust. The person say, how can I stay here? My heart is pulling me this way. And I'm sincere and genuine. But everyone around me is pulling me down to another thing. And criticizing me and fault-finding me. And limiting me. So there's no progress. So we have to move on. It may necessitate that. Progress means elimination and acceptance. If you want to progress, you have to eliminate one thing and accept a new thing. Right? A common, basic idea. So if I'm in this seat, it's very nice seat, I'm comfortable. But if I want to get the rickshaw back to Vrindavan, then I have to eliminate this seat. I have to eliminate this seat, and then progress towards the tempo stand, and then I can go to Vrindavan. It's like this. It's like this. It's like this. It's like this.